Hi everyone, I hope you are having a great day today, and welcome back to my new video. On this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how install tweaked apps on iPhone easily without computer and without jailbreak. Installing tweaked apps on iOS without jailbreaking your device involves using third-party app stores. Jailbreaking is a process that allows you to bypass Apple's restrictions on installing apps from sources other than the official App Store. If you have difficulty installing tweaked apps with IPE, I will show you how to do it without any third-party applications. First, you need a Telegram bot to install tweaked apps easily. Please register or log in to Telegram. Then, add this WinSign bot to your account. WinSign bot allows you to install IP of files directly on your iPhone, so you don't need to install any third-party apps to install tweaked apps. With this bot, you can save more time and more efficiently install tweaked apps on your iPhone. And you only need to search for the IP of files to install them with the WinSign bot. Click Start button to install tweaked apps process. Then click Sign IP A. Here you have two options, Other and Free Cert. Here I will use the free cert first. Later I will provide a tutor for other options. Because free cert is not always available, so later you will need another option to install IP. Click Sign IPA again. Then upload your IP a tweaked app that want to install to your iPhone. Select the file on Files, then send it to the chat. I recommend you to get IPA file on website ipaomtk.com because the website have a many tweaked apps what you need. After IPA selected, the WinSign bot will automatically upload and sign the tweaked apps installer. Please wait until the bar process is complete. After that, you will get a link to install the tweaked apps that you uploaded earlier. Click the Install button, then please open the link with the Safari browser on your device. Then click the button in the middle to install the app. If Safari opens a new tab automatically, please close it and return to the previous tab because it is an advertisement. Then click Open and click Install. Then the tweaked apps will be automatically installed on your home menu. Make sure you have a good connection to install it. Please wait until the download process is complete. Click the Apps icon. If you see Untrusted Developer, please verify in Settings, General, Beep, and Device Management. Then click Trust on the application. For iOS 18, your device may be asked to restart. Your iPhone will restart automatically. After restarting, you will see the message Ready to Install Profile. Please swipe up, then click Install Profile. Input the passcode, and now the tweaked app you have installed is ready to use. And now, you have successfully installed tweaked apps on your iPhone or iPad. You can open and use these tweaked apps freely, and you can also install more than one application on the WinSign bot. And there is no limit to the number of applications you want to install. So please install as many tweaked apps as you want. This bot is free, so you can use it freely without paying for this bot. I will provide a link to this Telegram bot in the description of this video. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe this channel to get more video.